In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CaseGuard to redact a room full of people from maybe some security footage. If they're all moving around a lot, you can use AI and a really great feature called object tracking to make sure everybody is fully redacted in your frame. To start, you can see I have security footage of a lot of people in a prison and there's a fight and I need all of their faces redacted. So I can come up here and click AI video. And I already have my template for faces, so I'm just going to go ahead and click this. This is going to save a lot of time and redact all of the faces instantly. And then I'm going to click apply. Now here we can see that all of my faces were redacted. CaseGuard's gone through and identified all the heads. In our object detection panel, we can see all of the faces that were redacted in the entire video. If I want to edit them, I can select one and delete it. I can also have it identify it for me, and it'll show up in the video with a box around it so you know which one you're clicking on. I can also see down here, this is all of the faces in the frame that's currently being shown. I can see right here, if I zoom in, there's one face up here that didn't get a full redaction. And if we go through our video, we can see that he gets a full redaction right around here, but before there are some frames dropped. Now we want his face fully redacted, so I'm going to go ahead, go back to the beginning, and I'm going to click object tracking. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to draw a redaction box around him, and then I'm going to go ahead and click play. My redaction is following him as he moves, and I know that right about here, the redaction from my AI picks back up. You can see it here, so I can just double click this. The redaction will go away from my object tracking. Now I can export my video, make sure it has a descriptive name, and then click export. If I come into my project files, I can see my file being exported. Now that it's redacted, I can click on it, and I can play my video, and now I have a fully redacted file. Even this guy in the back, who wasn't getting picked up, is now redacted, even though he's moving around. So this is how you can use CaseGuard to redact a video with lots of movement, and a quick tip on how you can clean up any missed frames with object tracking. Hope you enjoyed.